So I'm going to go through another attribute in the hot dog data set because there are a few more things that I do when I'm running this experiment. So let's go ahead and pull down the plot, and I'm going to pause and go ahead and get this set up. Up my dot plot, and I want to have poultry on the bottom. I don't want to change it, sorry. I want to have poultry on the bottom, so I'm going to just flip that order so it looks consistent to what I had in the other video. I turned on my count tools, I turned on my mean. So now let's put the ruler up here, and we're going to go in the positive direction. So beef has fewer milligrams of sodium than the poultry, and the difference of the mean is 58 units, or 58 milligrams if that's what they use for sodium. So the question is, if I just randomly mix up the hot dogs, will I get a difference of 58 or greater? So let's go ahead and set up our random assignment. Rank is our first variable, and group is the second one. You can set those up in the case table. I did that on all of the sample problems, but here I'm going to do it in the case cards. So unique rank. If you spell it correctly, it's going to turn blue. Good. Random parentheses turns blue. So once I get the word in the parentheses, it should turn blue. Good job. Click OK. And then group, same thing. We're going to use if parentheses rank is less than, and I might need to capitalize it. Rank is less than 18. Tab, don't forget your double quotes. A, tab, double quotes, B. All right, got it. Let's pull down another plot and graph the groups. So groups is already on there. So there we go. Let's figure out where we've got our groups. Okay, A is the group of 17, and B is the group of 20. So let's put sodium down here. Ew, I don't like that color. Let's stack these up. Okay, let's go back up here to the first one, and what I like to do is lock the attribute here so we see the type of hot dog. And the reason I do that is because I want to see when I do the random grouping that there is a difference. So I'm going to actually lock that down here as well. And get out of the way. So we can see that we've actually really mixed everything up. I'm going to pause and set up my graph. Okay, I'm back. Now notice that we started our ruler in the positive direction from beef. So I'm going to attach this to my group that has 20. So that's my starting point, but because the other mean is lower, I'm going to have to go back this way. The difference in the means between the group of 20 and the group of 17 is actually negative in this example, and that's okay. I can grab this little guy and pull it up. Let's reattach it here. So you can, if you can see this little bar right here, you can pull it up so you can read the number. Okay, so now I'm going to hit my history tool. I'm going to capture these differences. Okay, don't forget, if you want to turn off the animation, go up to Object, Inspect Collection, and turn off that animation. Makes things go a lot faster. Now, I haven't completed this activity, and I'm not lying. I have not completed this, so I have no idea what's going to happen when I graph my history here. So I have 100, and I'm going to pause it. Back. So I have my 100 simulated groupings here, and I've got the difference. So I'm going to put up a reference line, and I'm going to move this reference line to 58 because I want to know how many times will I get, okay, close enough, how many times will I get a difference that's higher than 58, and I only got it one time. I'm going to pause this and run this again.